Hey everybody, hey. So this is the Casetify bounce case. I'm just looking at it. They say they have the clear black and then the sheer triple black. So I chose the sheer triple black one. This one right here. It looks a little bit different to the website though. It kind of looks like it's clear, but it's got like a dark color towards it. Like a tinted color, should I say. So this is the one. That's what it looks like. Because I was expecting this to be a full-on black case, but apparently it's not. It's sort of tinted. Because I don't really like a clear case, just from my preference. So this is the bounce case. It's the second, I think. In terms of protection, it is extreme, and the weight is mid. Because there is one that is ultra bounce, which is not this one. It's got, I guess, bigger edges, like more when you drop it. They show in their videos like the impact from the sides. Yeah. Maybe at the side as well. Yeah, so that one is only got what the ultra bounce only has one option. It is clear black. So I chose the bounce case, the second best in terms of protection. Yeah, that one is the ultra bounce is ultra protection, and then this one is extreme protection, so it's the second best. So we'll try and put it on the phone now. Oh, and I also, before we do that, I also got the Snappy grip stand that is MagSafe compatible, so that would go on the back of the case. So it's like a pop socket. You know, I haven't had a pop socket before, so I might as well try it. So now I just to install this case, we remove this film here. Oh, maybe we'll remove the sticker first, actually, on this film. Yep, see here. And then remove the sticker. Not sure how I can do that. I'll just have to peel this, I think. Wait a moment. Peel that off first. There we go. Just put it on. Slip it on like that. Right. Okay, there we go. So that's snapped on. So this is what it looks like now. Back and front, yeah. So now we'll just put on the Snappy grip stand. This one should be a bit easier. It's just a easy and strong magnetic. Yeah, take this. So you just put so you pour it out from here. Pour it out from here. And then take this out. Yeah, pull this out here. It feels like it's got something inside, but it doesn't, I think. I'll just have a look and see if there's anything inside in here. Nope. Nothing in here. We'll just take this out. Okay. And we'll just put it on and see. I think this, you put it on like that, yeah. I'll just look at the manual back first. Snap, quick and go. The strong magnetic cohesion guarantees secure attachment and perfect alignment every time. Grip, flip it, slip it and grip it. So there's that at the back. How it uses, and it can be as a kickstand as well. Like sometimes you might want to look at something and then you don't need a phone stand for that. So I just put it on. Just quick. Oh, there we go. Yep, it's done. And then how do you open this? Oh, here we go. So it's like that. Let's see this idea. So it can act as a phone stand too. Like that. I think you do it like this. Yeah, kickstand. The last one. Kick back and let the good times roll. Enjoy hands-free browsing or video streaming in both landscape and portrait mode. Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to this kickstand, seeing how it works. I believe it's like that. Like that, and then when you finish it clicks in. It can be a bit of a challenge to take it out. Oh, that's what I've noticed now. So I'll just give this a go. Okay, so far it goes on this angle like that. When you put it on a table, you want to look at something. So it can act as a phone stand. And it's 360, you can turn this around as well. Yeah, you can see you can turn it around. Yeah, you can turn it around and you can do it like that as well. Yeah, it acts as a stand too. Yep, I think that's pretty good. Pretty good. I got it the wrong way. So yep, there's this thing. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually quite impressed with this design. Obviously you can't see it, but I'm just laying it down here. Testing this out. Yeah, there was like a ring socket one too, but I just felt, oh, what, maybe give this Snappy grip stand a go and then see if I like it. If I don't, I might consider getting the other option, the ring. Forgot what it was called, but I have it here. Trying to find it first. MagSafe compatible, yep, it's under there. So it is called Snappy ring holder. I got the Snappy grip stand. That one's a bit different. That one's got a ring at the back. So it's a ring holder. You can't see it, but I'm just looking at on my laptop. Yeah, it is quite. You can go check it out on the website. You just look up black snappy ring holder. So it's got a ring there. You can use it as a phone stand as well. Same thing, but a little bit different. Yeah, okay, so I hope you enjoyed looking at the two. So I showed you the phone case, the phone case and the snappy grip stand. Yeah, apparently this is a custom phone stand. It doesn't have a name on the box though. So it's called a bounce case, which is MagSafe compatible. Yeah. Alright, I hope you enjoyed looking at this video, and then I might see you next year, you know, when the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes out. Until then, bye for now.